Manufacturing today is complex, and your business may even defy categorization with both custom products and more traditional offerings. To manage it all, you need versatile software that can support a mix of make-to-order, configure-to-order, engineer-to-order, and make-to-stock products. To ease complexity, the Epicor ERP solution has a product configurator embedded directly into the software. This powerful tool helps you create quotes, sales orders, jobs, and purchase orders for a variety of products. The Epicor Product Configurator has built-in logic that can restrict certain options or auto-populate fields based on your previous selections. With this logic, you can speed up order processing and apply best practices that ensure your staff is pricing and selling configurations that can actually be built. By automating product configuration, you can also reduce manual errors and improve efficiency throughout the entire supply chain. The Epicor ERP Product Configurator will automate important and often complex tasks like creating multi-level bills of materials, smart part numbers, and part manufacturing records. This kind of control is especially helpful if you have a huge catalog of different parts and products that may be reconfigured while completing a customer order. Finally, the Epicor Product Configurator fosters collaboration and transparency between all levels and departments in your business. With everyone on the same page, you'll be able to complete orders faster, fulfill clients' wishes more efficiently, and give potential and current customers the most accurate production and delivery time estimates. To learn more about Epicor ERP and the Product Configurator, check out epicor.com today.